Hello Disney family! Today I'm back with another Dollar Tree video to share my favorite things to purchase before my Walt Disney World vacation. If you haven't seen my other Dollar Tree videos, I will link them below for you. But before we move on, please hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go save some money. So these Lysol wipes, I literally use them for everything, and including like when I start by flying on the plane. I wipe down the seats, I wipe down the screens, I wipe down literally everything. Now I have talked a ton about doing laundry, and so here are some name brand stuff. They have Bounce, they have Gain, they've got Gain liquid detergent, they've got fabric softener. They literally have everything you need for laundry. So eye masks in general are just great for travel if you're sensitive to light or if you need them on a plane. They're just perfect. And then this is like my favorite thing ever. You can baby proof your hotel room if you need to, and it's only $1 investment. Now Dollar Tree has all different kinds of containers and water bottles. I loved this one because you can put a drink in the top and a snack that twists off in the bottom. And they did have some different Paw Patrol. I'm sure they have Disney in other places, but here were some Disney water bottles that are a great choice as well. They're just $1. PJ Masks, Frozen, I think I found a Minnie Mouse one. They just have all different kinds of stuff. And then here is another container. I love bringing containers. You can bring snacks or you can take things from restaurants, and I just think that they're so great. Now this is not for salad dressing. I actually was thinking you could put lotion or shampoo or anything like that. I just think it's a great container for travel. Now there are all different kinds of pill containers. This is just one that I'm showing you. I've shown them in my other Dollar Tree videos, but they just have tons of first aid stuff, and I think it's great to keep some first aid things just in your park bag so that you don't have to run to first aid if you need a Band-Aid or some ibuprofen. Pin trading can be a really huge investment, so these are great lanyards for maybe some kids, or if you're starting out pin trading, you can use these lanyards for pin trading. If nothing else, get these glow wands, bracelets, necklaces, rings at the Dollar Tree before you leave because of the amount of nighttime shows and parades and fireworks. They sell these things in the park for so much more money, and you can buy them for $1 at the Dollar Tree. This is a Guardians of the Galaxy, but I found princesses, Minnie, Mickey, you can get anything. Now this is a name brand, and they are great for your park bag. I keep them in my regular diaper bag all the time, but I love it for Disney too. These are also great for your park bag. I love keeping brand new markers, crayons, basically anything interesting for when we're sitting down and having a meal, just to keep my daughter entertained. I love getting these coloring books, and everything's $1. This was a sticker book I found. I was so excited about it. Another name brand, if you have a little one, you can bring these bibs and stick them in your park bag. They're just great and nice for only $1. And they have so much tech stuff. They have all different kinds of phone cases, which are easy for any different size phone. And then they also have these screen guards, which I actually use on my phone. They work fantastic. And obviously this fits an iPhone 6, 7, and 8. And then they have cords. Now these are not iPhone compatible, but these are the cords I use to charge my portable charger. And then they also have earbuds and headphones. And then this speaker I thought would be great for like by the pool, or if you're going to go to Typhoon Lagoon or Blizzard Beach. So you can tell when I shot this because these are Valentine's Day lights, but actually the idea is to decorate your hotel room, and I'm going to get more into that. There's Saria. This is actually when I shot it. I shot it back in December with Saria. But they have tons of things to decorate your hotel room. So this is specifically birthday. If you're celebrating a birthday, you can go and get a ton of decor from Dollar Tree and use princesses or Mickey Mouse, and you can decorate the room for the birthday. They also have these windows, and people do these extravagant window displays, which I'm going to show you in my upcoming trip. I'm going to do a whole window display tutorial. Now, this is for the pool, different floaties, and actually right now is a great time because they're starting to put out their summer stuff. Now, I actually did a tutorial on autograph books, but this is, if you don't want to purchase an autograph book, this is a great kind of option to use. They also have Huggies diapers and wipes if you need them. They only come in a 3-pack, but hey. Now, I have talked about how I love bringing a reusable bag just in case I don't have enough room in my suitcase. I bring it as a carry-on for the plane. And then they also have these drawstring backpacks, which are great for the park. Some smaller kind of like side sling bags as well. They have all different kinds of bags that you can basically bring to the park. And of course, since it's Florida, it rains, so they have rain ponchos, they have umbrellas, and these are great, just like $1 investments. Now, I literally use plastic bags for everything. I use them for packing, I use them for toiletries, I use them for storing and compartmentalizing in my diaper bag. I use them for everything, and they just have a slew of different kinds of bags in all different kinds of sizes. They have hefty, this is the quart size, which is for the plane, and then they also have gallon size bags, which are great for packing in and also great for storing shoes or wet things. Now we are coming into the last things, but this is a sunglass case I found, an eyeglass repair kit, which is perfect for your park bag. And then I also found kind of an eyeglass lanyard. And then I also found these luggage tags, which were so great. They actually have some sparkle ones there right now if you run to Dollar Tree. So this is actually the last planned video of the Dollar Tree series, but if you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know if you guys want to see more content like this. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.